Hello, my lovely YouTube family. Welcome to the channel of the Loquacious One. I'm the Loquacious One, the one-hitter quitter of affordable hauls, coming at you today with another haul on things to keep your home clean. This will be including things to clean for COVID-19 as well as just general cleaning. And I'm trying to do it at an affordable price point. Dollar Tree has re-upped a lot of the cleaning products and a lot of the PPE. So get in there now while the getting is good. We are a little bit better prepared than we were the first time. And people are not just murking the shelves. They probably have enough from the first haul. Okay, so with that being said, let's go forward with what I found. Surprisingly, they have these Pine Glow Ocean antibacterial kitchen and bathroom cleaner and disinfectant. It kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. It was a bonus of 69% more. So it's regularly 40 ounces. And they gave you 67.6 ounces, which was generous. It kills viruses such as rotavirus, kills pandemic 2009, the H1N1 influenza A virus, formerly known as swine flu. Okay, and that is all of these Pine Glows. The one I'm showing you, they all make the same claim. This is Pine Glow Antibacterial Kitchen and Bath Cleaner and Disinfectant. It is in the pine scent. And again, same claims as the one that was in Ocean, except it is 40 ounces, which is the regular size. And they gave you 69%, making it 67.6%. But with this is the Pine Glow Lavender Antibacterial Kitchen and Bathroom Cleaner and Disinfectant. It doesn't make a claim about killing 99% of bacteria and virus. I don't see that on there. I don't know why. It's 48 ounces, I noticed, instead of the 40. So it states it kills viruses, rotaviruses, kills the pandemic 2009 H1N1 influenza A virus, formerly known as swine flu. So they may have just not put it on the package. I don't know, but this is lavender. Okay. Okay. Dollar Tree also stocked up on this Penolin. The original is 3 times more pine oil power, deep cleans, cut grease, eliminates bad odor and pine. And it says it's safe for the high efficiency washers that they have now. It is a net weight of 33.8 ounces, and you get 33% more from the regular 25.3. So that is a good deal right there. I just throw some in with the laundry to kill what may ever be in there. Can't never be too safe. And next, I found this Spick and Span Everyday Antibacterial Cleaner. It says it kills bacteria and virus. It's in the fresh citrus scent, and it is 28 ounces. And this is the refill bottle. Now, a little bit smaller at 22 ounces is the Spick and Span antibacterial cleaner with a spray nozzle. You can also get this with the spray nozzle, but again, I'm getting 6 more ounces than with the nozzle, and I have enough nozzles. So this one is in the lemon scent. Okay, same formula basically, just lemon scent. And this is the first time I've seen this. They always have the Comet Classic spray cleaner, but this one, the label is new. It's 16 ounces, and it says Comet Classic Antibacterial Spray Cleaner. Kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. So this is a new packaging to me. I think they improved the formula, and it may be a little bit smaller than the original because of that. Okay. And also things I found at the Dollar Tree. This was new to me. It is the Fabulosa Antibacterial Multi-Purpose, cleaner. And it is in sparkling citrus. So I thought that was really, really neat. Okay. As well as I found I'm just clock hopping over here. They have the Fabulosa, and this is new also to me. With vinegar, it's the multi-purpose cleaner and the apple scent. Okay. And also they had, if I can get through this stuff, they had let me put this over here and then I'll bring this one up. It's another antibacterial, so I got two of these. I thought I had another one somewhere. Oh, I did. The Fabuloso with baking soda and orange multi-purpose cleaner. Now, Ajax has a multi-purpose cleaner, and it is in line with baking soda, and this is Fabuloso's orange with the baking soda. Okay, and we also have the Ajax multi-purpose cleaner in orange. So these are the multi-purpose cleaners, antibacterial. Some of them make claims for that. None of them make claims that they will actually kill the coronavirus. So I'm just putting that out there. So you have a wide choice of products to choose from. Okay, also in the cleaning product aisle, I found these Wizard, the Magical Fresh Room Mist. It's environmentally friendly. It's at 8 ounces. These smell particularly good, and I like the packaging. They look nice. And I found one in Hawaiian Retreat and one in Morning Mist. Now, formerly, Dollar Tree carried this great scents, sweet blossom and pear fine fragrance mist. It came in a couple of flavors, and it was only 2.6, no, 6.2. While this is 8, so you not only get more of a name brand product, but it also smells better. This one kind of made me choke a little bit, and the droplets just came out. They was kind of a little bit. I'm not going to complain about the product, but I'm just saying this is a much better buy. So this is the only thing new that I liked. I didn't get anything other than the Glade fragrances for Christmas. I'm very particular about aerosol sprays. Also, Glades is one of the best there is out there as far as the general market is concerned. Sometimes they spray and it just seems like water is being shot in the air. It dissipates really crazy. But anyway, I also found this Dawn Ultra Pure Essential dishwashing liquid in lemon essence scent. And I like this particularly because I will sometimes wash my hands with dishwashing liquid. Dawn is particularly good because it is known for busting up greases on your pots and pans. So therefore it will do it on your hands also. And remember, what you're washing your hands for often is to break the fatty layer of coronavirus down, and thereby in disabling it for being lethal or harmful to you. So I choose Dawn. I did a haul previously with some dishwashing liquids that I got that also at that time when COVID first came out, they were marketing them as hand soaps also. But yes, soap is soap, folks. It's just the marketing and packaging. I also found this Scrub It. This is new. It says clean brilliantly. It's disposable, quick eraser sheets. They're thin and flexible to give you that deep cleaning in hard to reach places. And it's 5 in a pack, and it looks like this. So I got 2 packs of these, as well as I found this Karazi Shiny Steel Non-Scratch. It says ideal for stainless steel 2-in-1. It has a cellulose one for cleaning delicate surfaces, and the silver plus fiber makes stainless steel shine again. So this is what it looks like. And I got 2 of these. I should have got more. I didn't, but give another person a chance to get some. And also by Scrub It, I found this antimicrobial microfiber cleaning towels. It's a 2-pack. and each one is 13.75 by 13.75. It says trap and remove dirt and dust, and it contains antimicrobial um, agents, which is good. All right. And yeah, that's it for that. Now, another product I'm going to show you, it did not come from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to show it to you. It is from Family Dollar. And it is the Homeline Antibacterial Disinfectant Spray in the Country Rain scent. It says it kills cold and flu viruses. It's by Homeline. It kills 99.9% of germs, sanitizing in 20 seconds. Can be used on soft surfaces. It's 19 ounces, which is bigger than the ones generally carried at Dollar Tree, which are probably like, what, I don't know, 6 ounces or something maybe. And this is $2. I think it was $2.50, but you get much more product for the money. So yeah, so anything that I just generally want to spray, like coats or what have you, I will use this. But don't get it twisted. I still have my Lysol, my coveted Lysol kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, that is my go-to, baby. Okay, that stuff is harder to get than I ain't gonna say. Okay, and I also keep, I'm just showing you this, the old original Lysol in original scent, 12 fluid ounces. This makes 9 gallons of disinfectant. This is concentrated. I also covered this. I could have bought them out, but I didn't. I just got enough. And something just to put you up on game since we're just here doing this. Another product I got, and I got it at the Family Dollar. I purchased 2 of them. Is the Microban 24 hour. Keeps killing 99.9% of bacteria for up to 24 hours in the citrus scent. It is 22 ounces. And I heard that it was effective against COVID-19. So all of my outside doorknobs, I spray them daily with this. The doorknobs, switch plates, telephones, things of that nature, to protect in case other people who touch it. It might give me a little leeway, I think. But this was also effective against COVID-19, as well as the Clorox disinfecting bleach. Okay. And I'm just telling you what I read off of the CDC and the World Health Organization. And to show you what disinfectant bleach is, and it's going to say disinfectant bleach kills 99.9% of germs. Okay. This is a small bottle. And yes, this is what I sanitize with. And I'm trying to see if I have another Clorox. I can't see it right now. But there are some Cloroxes that aren't disinfecting. It doesn't say disinfecting, so those may not be quite as effective. Again, read the label and consult the CDC and World Health Organization for more information on that. All right. Okay. Hold tight, and I will be right back. Okay, folks, continuing on with spray disinfectant. If you want to spray down your coats or surfaces or things that are hard to, say, wash and clean, or you just want to get a little bit of extra something, again, I'm not saying these kill coronavirus, nor does the packaging say. Most of them just say it kills 99.9% of germs, and that it does that by sanitizing. So from Dollar Tree, they have these Chase Home Value Spray Disinfectant, and it says it kills 99.9% of germs. Sanitizing in 20 seconds kills most germs, eliminates odor, prevents mold and mildew. Can be used on soft surfaces, and it's in the scent linen scent, as well as the same claims apply to this one, and it is in the citrus scent. Okay, and they had another purple one. I have it at work. I forget what that scent is. I think it's country something or whatever. I don't know what it is, but they have another one in the purple can if you find it. So it depends upon the locale, because I was somewhere and think these were up under a different label. I'm not for sure. Also, they have these Home Bright disinfectant spray. It kills 99.9% of germs. It's the Hawaiian mist scent. It kills flu virus, eliminate odors. And this was 6 ounces. Okay. Now, they're all 6 ounces. What was the strange? It kills cold and flu viruses. That's all it says. It didn't say antibacterial. Okay, and this one, the same one, kills 99.9% of germs. This is what I had against this one. It does it in 10 minutes compared to this one that does it in 20 seconds. So you might want to go with this. Read the labels when it says it kills 99.9%. And this one was in the fresh lavender scent. So I probably won't buy these again, as opposed to I'll get these. I generally use these at work, or like I said, around the house when I just want an extra amount of protection. I'll spray something down. When you come in, you can spray your shoes, your coats, or what have you, or your guest shoes or coats. This is good for that. Okay. Alrighty. And also, they had this, which is the Good and Clean Disinfectant Wipe, kills cold and flu viruses. Lemon scent. It's 24 wipes. It kills 99.9 bacteria in 15 seconds. So it says it kills the E. coli and it kills salmonella. That's all it's making a claim for. Okay, not saying it kills the COVID-19. So they have these in this lemon scent, and they also had a green container. I have that in my car, and this is what I use these for my car, or if you want to wipe down the doorknob, light switches, keyboards, telephone things real quick. This is an alternative for that. Okay, that's what I use it for. I'm not a specialist. I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just saying this is what I use it for. So that's my disclaimer. Okay. All right. So that concludes my up-to-date home cleaning products haul from Dollar Tree. So be on the lookout for these. If you're in Dollar Tree, like I said, the last time they marked the shelves and cleaned out everything, and it was hard to find cleaning products, but you always have soap, water, and bleach. Okay. So that will pull you through, and wash your hands. Okay, and find something and cover your mouth and just stay put. You don't have to be out there. Find something to do. I'm sure it's something that you can be doing other than out there amongst all this. All right, folks. Till next time. Bye-bye. This is Loquacious One. Do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video if you're on social media. Tell somebody to tell somebody. Okay, thumbs up, as well as if you have any questions, cares, comments, or concerns, leave them in the box below. Bye-bye.